Hey guys, we're back with another video. Again, this is the Alienware M15 R2. In this particular video, I just gonna keep this one very short and sweet. This is the crystal disk mark benchmark of the hard drives. If you guys saw my other video, you know that I put a Sabrent 1 terabyte SSD inside my laptop. And I've had a lot of questions about what the speeds were on that particular drive, as well as what is the speed of the drive that came with the laptop. The drive that came with the laptop was a Toshiba SSD, and here are its reads and write scores. Here's the Sabrent SSD that I purchased, and again, I purchased that SSD with my own money, and I'm not getting paid for any of these reviews, but it writes significantly faster than the Toshiba. So as well as I think it cost me $100, so the price point is excellent, and I am more than likely next payday going to purchase an additional 1 terabyte Sabrent and take the Toshiba out, because especially the write speeds are significantly better, and the reads are better slightly, but not significant. That concludes this quick overview of the drives contained in my Alienware M15 R2. If you have any questions regarding these SSDs or anything else, please feel free to leave a comment in the messages below. And thanks for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. You guys have a great day.